All right, guys, we are going to look at Tuesday's Spiral Review for quarter 3, week 9. Our first question is counting forward by 5, starting at 100. So our next number is 105, then 110, and 115. All right, counting forward by 10, starting with 108. We have 118, 128, and then 138. All right, and now counting forward by 100, starting with 108. We have 208, 308, 408. All right, let's look at our word problem. A pizza chef cooked 37 pizzas today. 9 of them were burnt and had to be thrown away. So if we throw them away, we're going to subtract them. How many pizzas were not burnt? 37 minus 9 equals 28. So 28 pizzas were not burnt. All right, let's find the sum of 53 and 34. So we do not have to regroup in this one. So if we say 50 plus 30, that is 80. And then 3 plus 4 is 7. So the sum of 53 and 34 is 87. All right, the difference of 72 and 29, we do have to regroup. Because we have more on the bottom. So we're going to come over here. We're going to borrow a 10. So we have 12 minus 9 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. So the difference between 72 and 29 is 43. All right, let's look at the difference in the lengths of the two rectangles. The longest one is 5 inches. The shortest one is 1 inch. So if we're finding the difference, we're subtracting, and the answer is 4 inches. Chrissy has 2 pieces of ribbon. One piece is 14 inches long, the other is 25 inches long. How many inches of ribbon does Chrissy have? So we're going to add these together, and 14 plus 25 would be 39. So she has 39 inches of ribbon. All right, let's look at our line plot. Marco measured 7 pencils in the classroom. So let's create a line plot with this data. So we can start with 3 inches. How many do we have that are 3 inches? 1, 2. So we can put an X and another X. All right, now we have some that are 5 inches. And we just have one that's 5 inches. Now 6 inches. 1 is 6 inches. We don't have any that are 7, but we do have some that are 8. 1, 2, 3 that are 8. So this is what our line plot would look like with this data. And let's make sure. So we should have a total of 7 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is measuring all of our data. But we could start with 3 and say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We could even just do it to 10. Or we could start with 1 and just go to 8. We don't have any that are 1 inch. We don't have any that are 2 inches. We had 2 that were 3 inches. We had none that were 4 inches. We had 1 that was 5 inches, 1 that was 6 inches, and 3 that were 8 inches. So this is what our data would look like for this line plot.